There are three sketchy things running on your Windows PC right now. Quietly eating your RAM, hogging up your storage space, and watching everything you do. No, it's not a virus. It's not malware. It's Windows. And Microsoft put them there on purpose. And almost nobody turns them off. So let's go check them out. First up, delivery optimization. It kind of turns your PC into a mini file server, sending Windows Update files to other people's computers using your RAM, and it's over the internet. Your computer quietly joins a peer-to-peer network for Windows updates, even with total strangers. So that's memory and bandwidth you'll never get back. To fix this fast, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Delivery Optimization. Flip this toggle off. The Windows updates will still work, they're just going to stop hoarding your memory and your bandwidth. Next up, Windows Telemetry. This is Windows' built-in background tracker. Windows Telemetry constantly logs your app usage, crafts reports, and other computer habits, then it uploads that data to Microsoft servers. That's background network traffic, CPU usage, and not to mention privacy concerns. To disable this, in your search bar, type Services, and then select the Services app. Next, scroll down until you find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Right-click on it and select Properties. Click Stop, and then change the startup type to Disabled. If you hit Apply and OK, this will disable this feature. Now for the worst one, Windows Recall. If you have an older computer, say older than 4 years or so, then this most likely will not affect you. But if you're on a newer Copilot Plus PC or have a newer PC with the latest Windows build update, this feature might be turned on. So Windows Recall takes automatic snapshots of your screen every few seconds to build a searchable timeline. Now why is that bad? Well, privacy number one. Plus, it eats gigabytes of storage space. It runs processes in the background, and it is possibly capturing snapshots of passwords, credit cards, and other private information locally. To kill it, you'll go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Recall and Snapshots. You can toggle the Save Snapshots completely off, and then you can also click the Delete Snapshots to instantly free up gigabytes of drive space. All right, now that's 3 easy ways we can free up some system resources, reclaim some storage space, and continue to protect our digital privacy while on our computers. If this video helped you, please hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.